Hello everybody. I just thought I would show you my babies. The one sitting up on the perch is Blue, and the one at the feeder cup, that is Mercie. So sometimes I get in a hurry because I have to see to them, but a lot to do around here. But yeah, I just wanted to share them with you. They are so sweet. They're just absolutely adorable. And right now, I've got them sitting on my finger. They're doing up-ups. And they've been doing really well. And they've only been here since like last weekend. So they are Salvador parakeets. Or Salvador Budgies. And I got them at Aviary. Yeah. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a beautiful day or night, wherever you may be.